Hi there, Bujo lovers! My name's Jane. Welcome back to my channel. It's time for my new bullet journal beginner series, and with the help of my iPad Pro and the app Procreate, I want to show you how easy it is to doodle and letter, starting with today's step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a rose. I'm showing this on my iPad so you can see the process perfectly without my head or pen being in the way of the camera. So let's do this. First, draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfectly round. And secondly, for the petals, draw a few rotating triangles in the middle of the circle, starting big and getting smaller until you reach the center of the rose. And then let's do it again. This time I'm drawing the petals a little softer and rounder. Step 3. Drawing the leaves. Just two lines that are connecting. And step 4, creating a line in the middle of the leaves for further detail. Now let's try it once again. Step 1 until 4 in real speed. Pro tip: it looks really cute if you stack roses next to each other and place a leaf here and there on the page. If you want to see some more inspo on how to use this doodle in your bullet journal, check out my February plan with me on YouTube and my Bujojane Instagram. It's filled to the max with roses. Lastly, you can color in your roses and leaves to finish the drawing. Using a couple of pink or red hues for the roses and a few complementing green tones, you can achieve an easy but beautiful drawing for your bullet journal or for anywhere else. This will also look great on a gift card. If you like this new beginner series, please leave me your next drawing tutorial suggestions in the comments below, so I can see them and create something that you need. And voila, it's that simple. I bet you can draw this without any trouble as well. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell so you never miss another Bujojane video. See you next week. Bye bye!